This is Roller Pro by Peak Design, a new kind of global carry-on for travelers, creatives, and everyone in between that was custom designed from the ground up to do things other rollers can't. We started by redesigning the handle. Jiggly telescoping tubes? No thanks. We invented Slim Drive, an ultra-slim, ultra-sturdy carbon fiber trolley. No joints, no slop. It takes up less space, so you can pack more, and provides a responsive driving experience like you've never felt before. We also redesigned the case, combining the best of hard shell and soft-sided construction, polycarbonate on the inside, and our VersaShell fabric on the outside. 360-degree hard shell protection, expandable, compressible, but with features a hard shell bag can't match, like quick access to your essentials, secure laptop storage, and a brilliant new way to get in. A unique drawstring opening with precision-tuned friction hinges gives you total visibility and access with half the footprint of a traditional clamshell roller, so you can pack and unpack in tighter spaces and keep it all tidy. And what are you packing it with? Peak Design packing tools, of course. Award-winning cubes and pouches, widely considered the best on the planet, that fit perfectly and dial in your setup for any trip. Packing camera gear? Drop a Peak Design camera cube in to create the ultimate mobile workstation. Storage and protection for any kit, from a single mirrorless to a full pro setup, with access and organization perfectly tailored to your creative workflow. And when you're not on the job, just remove the cube and pack to your heart's content. On Roller Pro, even the details have details. An automotive-inspired felt interior, a retention system like none other that clips in when you need it and disappears when you don't. Weatherproof ultra zips that are ergonomic and lockable, a laser-cut Hypalon ID tag, integrated grab handles, and a versatile external carry system, so you've always got that extra hand. Roller Pro by Peak Design. Did we reinvent the wheel? No, but we did reinvent just about everything else.